Model, 2003. Body, red 4x4. Mileage, 184544. Engine, 4600 cc. Transmission. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. Needs multiple injectors replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, part service history, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors, 3 keys, aircon. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.